Hello guys. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm so sorry for lack of uploads. It's just been crazy. But I wanted to make this really quick video over how to do a one of these following problems for trigonometry. So this is for those of you that are in trig, if you're in trig, or if you're going to take trig this semester or whatever. Or if you're just looking for how to do problems like these. So basically, we have the following trigonometric expression. And it says, so we want to simplify the trigonometric expression into one. And this is what we're given. So we have cotangent x plus tangent x over cosine x plus tan x sine x. So I'm gonna do, so first and foremost, I want to define what cotangent and tangent are in terms of sine and cosine. So cotangent x, so let's see. We know cotangent x is going to be cosine x over sine x. And we also know that tan x is equal to sine x over cosine x. So they're basically reciprocals of each other. So we must remember these identities, right, in order to do problems like these. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to plug in. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it really quickly, so give me 1 second. Give me a second, guys. Hold on 1 second. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do here, let me just make sure. Okay. What we're gonna do here is we are gonna go ahead and do cosine x over sine x plus sine x over cosine x. So basically, I'm plugging in these two things here. So that was cotangent, this is tangent over here, and then on the bottom we're gonna put over, and we're gonna do cosine x plus, and again it's gonna be sine x over cosine x times sine x. So this would kind of go on the bottom here. And so the way that I do these, I always like to do a cross multiplication. So this is going to be cosine squared of x. Oh, and by the way, actually I'll do it in a minute. And then plus sine squared of x plus sine squared of x, because sine of x times sine of x, sine squared of x, all over, and I'm going to multiply these two, sine x cosine x. And then over, and it's going to be cosine x plus sine squared of x over cosine of x. So we want to make sure that we understand that this is over 1 and we're multiplying across, and that's what it gives us. And also I want to put this over 1 since it's really over 1, since at the very end we have to add those two as well. So then we end up getting cosine squared x plus sine squared x from the Pythagorean identity is equal to 1. So we're going to put this in for this. So we're going to put 1 and then over, and we have sine x, cosine x, and then over, and again, we're going to do cross multiplication. So cosine squared x plus, and it's sine squared x times 1, which is just sine squared x over, and then here it goes on the bottom, 1 times cosine x, which is cosine x. So then finally, what we do, we're going to go ahead and put these as a division of two fractions. So the top part here, that's what I'm going to put on the left, and then this whole thing is divided by, and like I said, cosine squared x plus sine squared x is 1. So we're going to put 1 for this part. So it's going to be divided by 1, and then over, and then cosine x. So, and then lastly, what we always do is we keep the first part, and then times, and then flip this over. So it's going to be times cosine x over 1. This cancels out here. We end up getting cosine of x over sine x cosine x. And then lastly, we just cancel these two out, and we are left with 1 over sine of x. And 1 over sine of x from the reciprocal functions is equal to cosecant of x. So our answer can be written as cosecant of x. And this would be our final answer, guys. So the idea is you have to know your identities very, very well to do problems like these. That is how you do this problem step by step. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and also please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.